Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bob's Computer Service YouTube channel. I'm Bob, and today we have another Windows Wednesday tutorial. I'm going to show you two simple ways to shut down your Windows PC using shortcut keys. These methods are super fast, and you don't need to click through menus. Let's get started. The first method is using the Alt and F4 key at the exact same time. If you have anything open, it will close that first. And I will demonstrate now. I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to hit Alt F4. And as you can see, it closed the program without any mouse intervention. Now to shut down the computer when nothing else is open, we're just going to hit Alt F4 again. And as you can see, the shutdown window came up, and you can either hit Enter to shut down or click OK. I'm not going to do that since I'm doing this tutorial. And that will shut down your computer right away. The next method is we're going to hit the Windows key and the letter X at the same time. And that's going to bring up this little menu. And to shut down, we are just going to press U, and that's going to bring up the shutdown and sign out menu. And we would just hit U again, and that would shut down the computer immediately. And there you have it. Two simple and quick ways to shut down your PC using shortcut keys. These methods are perfect if you want to save time or just prefer using the keyboard. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification if you don't want to miss out on next Windows Wednesday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.